Dried violets are simple, beautiful, and easy to pair with other flowers. First, take a cream-colored chenille stem. Fold one end, leaving a straight 3 cm section. Next, cross the two sections at the base. Fold the longer end upward. Using the longer end again. Fold it toward the opposite corner. Trim it with scissors, and it should look like this. Make 5 petals in total. Use a clip or a flat iron to press them flat. After flattening them, trim away any excess fuzz with scissors. Repeat until you have 5 petals. Next, take half of a yellow chenille stem. Fold it at the 1.5 cm mark. Use the longer end to wrap around. Continue wrapping upward. Your flower center is now finished. Apply a little glue. Attach a 30 cm flower stem. When attaching the second petal, make sure it lines up evenly. Once all the petals are attached, gently open them out. It should look like this when opened. Add a small dot of glue in the center. Then attach the flower center. Wrap floral tape around the stem to cover the lower section. And that's it, your dried violet flower is complete.